How to reset your survivor.io account. In this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to reset or start a new fresh account on Survivor.io. Now, once you've opened up the application, make sure that you're logged into the account, and then up to the upper left, you should be able to see three lines. So simply tap on that and then choose on settings. Now, from settings, this is where you can actually see what specific account that is currently logged in on the account tab. Now, from the account tab, just choose on feedback, and then here choose on save issues, and then choose on I want to start a new game. This is the first method of doing this by reading this instruction how you can do it. The other method to do that is go into the Survivor IO logo or the icon, tap and hold in it, and then choose on the I. Scroll down a bit under usage, choose on storage, and simply both clear data. This will reset your Survivor.io application and as well as your account. And that is how you reset your Survivor.io account.